Here's a look at the November 2024 issue of Onsite Installer, brought to you by TNT Tools. You've heard of the Mighty Probe, right? This insulated metal soil probe with T-style handle should be standard equipment on every single truck, and at under $100, it's the go-to anyone can afford. If you don't have one, or could use a couple more, head on over to mightyprobe.com today. In our cover story, when a health crisis struck Katie and Troy Resor's on-site treatment business, their toughest days revealed an unexpected silver lining, a network of supportive industry allies. This story highlights what we already know. Deep down, this industry is about helping people. When U.S. Army veteran Roger Skinner needed a new septic system, installers went above and beyond to make it happen. It's just one of the many stories that make this industry like no other. What happens after the installation is done? Oftentimes it's landscaping. Some plants may look harmless, but their roots could be silently sabotaging your work. Educate your customers about which species to avoid to save themselves costly repairs down the line. An Indiana grocery store's plan for prepared foods led to a uniquely challenging septic install, squeezing high-strength waste treatment onto a triangular lot with strict regulations. But a creative design kept the project on budget. Big news out of Michigan. They have officially banned flushable labels on wipes. In fact, the new regulation demands clear "do not flush" warnings. Well done, Michigan. Let's hope the rest of the country follows suit. From shattered tanks to underground hazards, illegal installs are a growing problem. See how Tanner Devine, a third-generation septic pro, is fighting for stricter regulations to ensure safe, legal installations across Oklahoma. From penetrating tough soils to extending system life, these products can streamline your daily challenges. Which tool will become your new go-to? In an industry where versatility and reliability are paramount, this new backhoe loader from Case might just be the multi-purpose workhorse your team needs. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.